Welcome to next video. Today I am going to explain how to assign IP address in Windows Server. Run the command ncpa.cpl, right-click and click on Properties. Here you can assign IP version 4 as well as IP version 6. Click on IP version 4. By default it is assigned a static IP. Here we can assign a static IP. I am giving the IP address 192.168.1.1. Here it is a Class C IP address, and the default gateway I am leaving blank because I am not connecting to any other networks or I am not using any switch. And the preferred DNS address is same as above because I am installing the DNS in the same server. Now we can check whether the static IP address is assigned to the server or not. For that, run the command cmd, which will open the command prompt. Here you type the command ipconfig. Now you can see the assigned IP address. So that's all about assigning static IP address.
Thank you.